Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in on a new episode. Let's get started. Let's get right into it. Anyways, guys, so today I'm gonna be building a little house. Um, okay. So, anyways, guys, before I get started, make sure to like and subscribe and tune in because I'm gonna make some wicked content. Anyways, let's get started. So I'm gonna get some blocks here. I'm gonna get some gates. What else I need? I need a door or two, guys. So let me just get a door here. And I was just thinking, what if I get some torches, guys, because I need some light. So, torches, guys. Whoa. Okay, let's get torch, guys. Okay. And yeah, it's top of the morning, guys, so we have a lot of energy to build our house, so we are ready. And we need a bed. We need the bed for later, guys, so when we're tired, we can just hit the hay. Okay, and I think that's all we need. We might need something else. Let's just check. Okay. A ladder. No. Okay, it's I'd say we're good for now, guys. Okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna build a simple house, guys. It's gonna be like a 5x5. Or no, I'll do like 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we got 10 there. Now I'm gonna do 10 across. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, guys, a lot of counting. 8, 9, 10. Okay, good job, guys. If you came this far, amazing, because that is good. Anyways, guys, we're gonna continue that base. Okay, let's be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, guys, the moment of truth. If I did 10 by 10 by 10, this should go straight across. So I'm gonna count out. I don't need to even count, actually. But anyways, guys, let's see. If I meet up this square box to the square box, then that means I did my measurements right. Okay, guys, let's see the moment of truth, guys. Okay, we're almost there. And yeah, so it is a perfectly 10 by 10, guys. So now we're gonna have to do some excavation, guys. We're gonna clean the floor. We're gonna get rid of all this dirt. You know, in real life, you know what they do? They have like a digger, and they have a dump truck, right? Excavator, and they shovel all the dirt away, guys, just to build a basement in the house, guys. But I don't know, today I want to build a basement. I'll say for now I'm gonna skip the basement, but in the future builds, guys, it's top of the morning, so tired. Okay, in the future builds, guys, I will build definitely a basement or something. I think that would be pretty cool. I'll show you how to build down, you know, maybe make some cool basement like mazes and like different like setups. You know, it could be like a house underneath the ground, like a bunker kind of thing. Anyways, guys, you know how things are going right now in this day and age. You know, tariffs, Donald Trump, things are getting bad, guys, you know, but I don't know for how long. And that's the thing, guys, we gotta be creative. We gotta make a bunker. We gotta grow our own food before it's gonna get too expensive to live, guys, because I feel like that's everything in life, guys. Even in Minecraft, it's getting too expensive. Like Donald Trump, he's taxing the penguins and the penguins are somewhere in McDonald land. Like come on, you know. But anyways, guys, I feel like it'll be okay if we just actually, I gotta go shopping today, guys. Yeah, because the day's good to go shopping. But anyways, guys, it's the first day of the week, I believe. But anyways, guys, back to the build here. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit off track, you know. I want to go shopping because I saw some good sales on today. they have strawberries on sale for $1. That's a good price. Anyways, guys, yeah, people are like, oh, the price of food it's so expensive, like I can't really eat healthy. Like, I think, yeah, you can eat healthy if you shop around, you check the flyers and everything. Anyways, it's like everything in life, if you're a little tech savvy or a little smart, you can like go on your phone, look on the online flyers and say, hey, it's a good deal, I'm gonna go and get some right now before it's too late, guys. And I want you guys, it is too late to do things, because when you saw it, then people already did it, right? And then if it's too late, it could be like the deal's gone, or it's like just too late to buy something in life because everyone bought it. I'm so tired. I don't know why, guys, but anyways, guys, we're gonna finish off this house build. I'm not gonna give up, guys. Anyways, but that's sometimes like you need to jump on the trend. Like, sometimes people are like, here, got the 2 front doors. It looks nice. Oh, should I do no 2 doors? So I'm gonna actually do 2 front and 2 back. But what I'm saying is, like, you gotta jump on the trend before it's too late. So it's like everything, guys. You could jump on, like, say like a video game that's blowing up, or like a movie. Like, you're gonna try to watch it first, but then before you know it, it's all sold out because everyone wants to watch it, guys. It's just the new thing, guys. Like, it's like buying a new like pair of shoes from Nike. Like, the new drop come out, guys, and then like you're trying to cough up your pair, and before you know it, like, everyone online bought it. And it's, why? Because they have bots. They have like robots that automatically put in orders. They buy it, and yeah, it gets a lot of complication like that. But anyways, guys, technology, it is very smart. Yeah, like, I don't know. I figure one day that we're going to be living in this AI world where robots are just going to be taking over. Like, whatever we tell a robot to do, it will do it. But then if we tell them to go on some mission or something, like, for example, say if we want the robot to fight for us, somewhere in a country where there's a war, right? So I was playing this game the other day. It's a simulation, right? And I was like, here, go bring this like grenade and drop it over here, right? And just, do the mission, right? So the robot's like, yes sir, I'm gonna do the mission. And then I was like, in my head, hey, in this simulation, I picked the wrong area to drop this area. I said, okay, I was like talking to a robot. I was like, come back, like, don't go there. And then the robot tells me, no, you told me to go here. Let me complete my mission first. Okay. So then I said, well, if you don't listen, I'm going to turn you off, because in the simulation you can turn robots off. And then I said, I'm going to turn you off, come back now. And the robot says, okay, I'll come back, because like it didn't want to get turned off, right? So it came back and then dropped the grenade on my little city town area in the game, and then it blew up like my house. So that's the thing, guys. Robots, like, you tell it one thing, and I don't know, guys. It's kind of like it does its own thing, like there was nothing really to stop it. It was like it had its own like mind of itself. That's what's crazy, guys. Imagine in real life, like, that was just in a game, a simulation. Anyways, we got the walls up. So imagine in real life, guys. I don't know how that would have gone, guys. Imagine like you're fighting peacefully, and then you're like, oh, I picked the wrong area, and then it blows up the area. I'm like, oh my, that's not good. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna show you how to build my roof. So anyways, enough of the AI talk, but it's coming, guys. It really is coming. Okay, so I'm gonna build the roof a little differently, guys. This is how I build my roof. So I do the front and back a couple of blocks, and then I gradually, so I'm gonna work all the way around for now. Okay, let me just do one block up. Perfect. And let me just do one more. So I'm making like just a perimeter. 4 down. Okay, I'm so tired, guys. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, it's okay. So I'm gonna leave one space, and then I'm gonna gradually space it in. So, and I keep going up. So there's gonna be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And then that's just how you do it. So you're gonna gradually work it like that. And then you can be left off like that. And this is how I build my roofs, guys. In real life and in Minecraft. And I find it the easiest way. And it looks good too. So, there we go. I'm gonna want to build this section up here. Perfect. And what we can do, okay guys, it's getting like dark. It's like nighttime pretty much. Guys, we built a lot today. Come on guys, let's get some rest. So I'm gonna put a bed down and I'm just gonna hit the bed. Okay guys, see you in the morning. Good night. Okay guys, yeah, I was really tired yesterday, like, as you know, like, okay, anyways, guys, let's go top of the morning. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's finish off this build, because I'm so excited to finish off this build, guys. Okay, so, here we go. Let's just get rid of that. Okay. I'm just so excited to finish it, because, you know, when I can finish this is the minute I can upload it to you guys, so you guys can see the video. So anyways, let's just continue. Okay, let's keep going. Perfect. Okay, and we're almost there. We got a couple more blocks to go, guys. And you know what they say, you know, like, they say Rome wasn't built in a day, which was true, because like Rome, if you guys never been to Rome, or you never saw what Rome was, but let me just tell you what that means. So Rome is like a big city, and it's like there's a lot of things built there, and it's beautiful, guys. Like I trust, like, you guys, like, one day if you guys want to go there, like, just have a look, you know. But Rome, it wasn't built in a day. It took time, guys. Like, it's like everything in life, everything takes time. Everything good takes time, you know. Like, it could be like, you know, working on a business or something, or creating a YouTube channel, creating like, you know. Oh, what got inside, guys? Okay, a spider. Let's get that spider out, because we don't have any spiders in our house. Okay, let's just get him. Come on, get out of my house. Like, come on. I was trying to, like, I don't know how you even came in, to be honest. Get him. Okay, a couple more. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Okay, hopefully no more spiders get in. I don't like spiders, guys. Okay, so as I was saying, like, yeah, everything takes time. You know, it was like me. I was like posting every single day for some time, and then I got burnt out, you know. And then I was like, hey, you know, I don't know, it's a lot of work. But yeah, everything in life is a lot of work, guys. Waking up is a lot of work. Going to sleep is a lot of work. Eating, making a meal is a lot of work. Everything is a lot of work, guys. You gotta get that mindset, like, you know, locked in. You need to really get started. Anyways, guys, we have that house built perfecto. And this is like, it's like a decent sized house. It's like a cabin house. Let's go this way. Perfect. And yeah, it's really nice. I'm gonna put some gates out here, guys, too. But yeah, it's like, if you guys want to be something in life, which I know everyone can, no matter like what's going on in life, you know, no matter if you're not the smartest, no matter if you're not physical fit, no matter the way you look, guys, you know, in life, everyone has a purpose, and you're gonna eventually find that purpose, you know, no matter what you do. Like, some days are gonna be hard, guys. I'm not gonna say every day is gonna be easy in life, but the thing is, it's life, guys, and that's life, you know. You're always gonna have like ups and downs, you know. It's like, it's a big journey, you know. Pretend you're hiking, right? The hike is not smooth. You're gonna see like rocks, you're gonna see hills up and down. There's never a smooth one-way path. There could be if you create it like that, but most likely it's always like about the climb. It's always about, you know, just the journey. And that's why a lot of people like making books, because they like to talk about their life, about the journey, and you can read it. And now I feel like that's something I'll do one day too. I'm gonna make a book, and yeah, it will be really, really nice. We got baby sheep here. It's so cool. Let's see if we can just capture it. I don't know if, because we need a sheep somewhere. Nope. He's not. But it's okay. We're gonna close the gates. Oh yeah, there we go. We got a sheep. We got a baby sheep. There you go. So hopefully that can be our sheep, guys. That is our new pet on the farm. I would say it's like a beginner's farm that we can always add on to this farm. Okay, before we go, guys, I just gotta do a last touch. Like if you look at it right now, look at it, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. It looks nice, right? And the sheep's there eating away at the grass. But the thing is, I want to put some lights on it to make it look nice, because at nighttime I want my like villa to glow. So I'm just gonna put some lights. Like, okay, I don't know how I should position, but I'm gonna put it on the outside first, and then we'll see whether else like where I should put lights after. But yeah, I think those are good there. And yeah, I'm gonna make it like Lost kind of Vegas kind of look, you know. There we go. Yeah, nice. And then I might add 2 in front of the door. 1, 2. 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. Just light this thing up like a Christmas tree, guys. And I might just do actually like some just coming down. Okay. There we go. Okay, that looks pretty cool, guys. That looks sick. Okay, guys. Thanks for tuning in on a build, guys, with me today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe, as I said in the beginning, because we're gonna try to build up this channel. And any recommendations, guys, put down in the comments what you guys want me to build next, because I'm ready to build. And peace out. Have a good day. Take care.